is the Heisenberg uncertainty principle. Heisenberg uncertainty principle. So Heisenberg is a German physicist. He has given a formula for the uncertainty. The name itself, it is the uncertainty. What do you mean by uncertainty? We cannot predict. There is no accuracy. That is known as uncertainty. So it was given by the scientist Heisenberg, German physicist, which is consequence of dual behavior of matter and radiation. The uncertainty principle is consequence of dual behavior of matter and radiation. So what is the principle says that the position and momentum of a particle cannot be simultaneously measured with arbitrarily high precision. There is a minimum for the product of the uncertainties of these two measurements. So we cannot predict momentum and position of a small particle like electron simultaneously. So Heisenberg stated that, for example, when you throw a ball up into the air, what happened to the ball? The ball follow a definite path in accordance with Newton's law of motion. So we can predict the certainty, the position and the velocity of the moving ball at any point of time. So we can predict how much velocity it is moving. If we know the mass of the object, we can identify the position and velocity of the moving ball with the Newton's law of motion. So for a particle of size of an electron, however, this is not so, because electron mass is very small, it is negligible. So Heisenberg, W.K. Heisenberg stated that for a particle as small as electron, it is not possible to know precisely the position as well as the momentum at the same time. That is known as uncertainty principle. So he has done this with the thought experiment. In mind, he has thought. He considered a beam of electrons accelerated by a known potential difference, and the energy and hence momentum of such a beam of electrons would be known precisely. To know the position of the electron, the beam at any instant, we would need a microscope using light of suitable wavelength. The collision of electron with a photon of light would then show as a flash, which would help to determine the position of electron. However, there would be two limitations of accuracy such measurement. One, accuracy with position of electron could be determined would depend upon wavelength of the light. The shorter the wavelength, greater would be the accuracy. What happens? Shorter the wavelength, greater would be the accuracy. What's the next one? The collision of electron with a photon of such high momentum would change the momentum of the electron, so that its momentum would no longer be known with position. So the momentum of a photon is inversely proportional to its wavelength. So Heisenberg formulated the following relationship for the uncertainties in the measurement of position of the momentum of the particle by using this formula, that is delta x. What is delta x? Uncertainty in position. Delta x is uncertainty in position into delta p. What is delta p? Is uncertainty in momentum. That is more or less equal to h by 4 pi. What is the formula? H by 4 pi. This is the uncertainty principle equation. So delta x into delta p more or less equal to h by 4 pi, and instead of that P is equal to mv. In such a way also you can calculate P is equal to mv. So delta x into m delta v, that is equal to h by 4 pi, approximately equal to h by 4 pi delta x into delta v, more or less equal to h by 4 pi m. h by 4 pi m. H is the Planck's constant, m is the mass, and pi is value 3.14. You can go through this slide. So how he has what type of experiment Heisenberg used to imagine. He is observing through microscope, electron microscope. So by Planck's constant we know the E is equal to hc by lambda. A photon with shorter wavelength has larger energy. So to determine the momentum accurately, electron must only given small, suppose small hit. If you small hit the photon will hit that metal, immediately the electron emits. So this point is important. Use light with short wavelength, accurate measurement and position, but not momentum. If you use the light with short wavelength, what happen? Accurate position can be find out, but momentum cannot be find out. If you use light with long wavelength, accurate measurement of momentum but not position. This is the important part. This in theory part is important. You can make a note of it. Fundamental trade-off, Heisenberg uncertainty principle. So this is the formula. This formula will be used for doing calculation. By using this in your textbook, problem is there. You can substitute the value. They are given a microscope using suitable photon is employed to locate an electron in an atom within a distance of 0.1 angstrom unit. What is uncertainty involved in the measurement of its velocity? By substituting that, you will get that. Next, another one problem also they are given. A golf ball have 40 gram and a speed 45. If the speed can be measured within accuracy 2%, calculate the uncertainty of the position. So this is used to find out position and momentum. Cannot be predicted. So what is the significance of uncertainty? It is rules out existence of definite path or trajectories of electrons with similar particle. For a subatomic object such an electron, it is not possible simultaneously to determine the position and velocity. So the effect of Heisenberg's uncertainty principle is significant only for motion of microscopic object and is negligible for that of macroscopic object. This is only for, we can use this for microscopic object with a milligram sized or heavier object. So it is used only for microscopic object like electron. If the ball have point 0.1 kilogram. It is moving with 40 meter per second. What will be the uncertainty? Here by using that electron, same situation, electron mass we know that 9.1 into 10 to the power minus 31. So momentum 3.6 into 10 to the power minus 29. You can calculate by using this formula.